Crude oil WTI has shown a good swing, retracing till towards 77.8, 78.2, my stronger resistance zone. I had told you several times that be careful of that zone. Precisely from 78.15 it is reversed, and likewise NG2 has traded bearish, and remember oil is still not breached the next stronger support. Yes, 76 is done, which was the first support. Now it is back to the next support at 75. So what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and natural gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the twice a day analysis for oil specifically. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into oil, followed with NG. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, trade as per the levels. Now see oil here, after retracing, see I have told you 78, 77.8, 78.2, be careful of this zone, precisely achieving this zone. It has dropped a bit here. Now again 76, which was the previous support level, is going to be a little stronger resistance. You can buy there, and now be careful of 76, 77 zone. Only above 77 we can expect that it may try to show you little bullish, and on the downside see till 74 we can get a very strong support here. Now what is happening on the hourly charts? A little retracement, again drop, so it is trying to trade bearish right away at current moment. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish here, RSI is also trading at bottom, and on the 2-hour chart similar formation. See drop there, consolidation, drop, consolidation, probably it can try to slide a bit, but see on the indicators front this is extremely oversold right now. The stochastic, the MACDs, the RSI, everything is trading at bottom for oil. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the formation. See, but it is extremely oversold, and hence a bounce back has to be seen some point of time. The MACD, the RSI, everything is at bottom on every time frame. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see this was the bullish channel, then this breakout, and see one greener, sharper red candles, 3 sharper red candles, retracement, then drop, retracement, then drop. Now this is expanding, that is increasing bearishness here. So I will recommend you to sell here at 75.2, wait for 74.6 and then 73.8. Remember 73.8 is the next strongest support. Now see the stochastic on the 4-hour charts has gone to extreme oversold levels, which you need to be cautious of, as it may try to bring a little pull back. The MACD likewise is also bearish, and it can also bring a little bullishness there, but these are markets. These can, once anything goes to sell, it can try to continue with that. Now look at the daily chart. Several times I had told you, you have to be observant of this. See higher lows are seen, and this time if you look at last two rise there, you can see higher highs, higher lows are seen, and precisely it is at bottom, and hence I will rather recommend you to sell only and only if you see it trading below 75. Now below 75 you can expect that we might see 74.5 and then very important 73.8 levels. Only and only if it stays below 73.8, consider that we are looking forward to a sharper crash for 72, 70 and below levels. If not today, possibly by next week. See stochastic here as bottom, MACD is crossing over for a sell, RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, buy 76 and sell at 75. For this $1, complete $1, stay away from trading oil today below 75, 74.5, 73.8. These are two stronger support levels. If 73.8 is taken, if not today, possibly tomorrow or next week, we can see it hitting 72 and 70 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at, and on the upside 77 and 78, these two levels you should watch out for. Beyond that 81, 82.6 levels you should be seen, but these are very stronger resistances. Now let's have a look at net gas. Net gas on the hourly charts, lower highs, lower lows are seen. After the sharp drop, it is trying to trade bearish here. It is trying to consolidate. Only rise is seen if it stays above 2.62, but you can buy here at 2.58 itself. Above 2.58 you can expect 2.6, 2.62 zone, and if it stays below 2.65, then only we can expect that there could be little rise. Now we had seen that several times, and you can see on the hourly charts 2.75 is and 2.7, these are very stronger resistance. And see here also on the early charts, 2.6, which was a very strong support, it has breached and traded below these levels, and you have to be watchful of this because below that we may see it hitting 2.45. So let's see which direction it takes. Right now stochastic trying to look up, MACD trying to converge, RSI trying to trade with slight bullish bias. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, also on the 2-hour chart, this is trying to reverse, this is trying to look upwards, possibly beyond 2.8 levels. You can expect 2.6, 2.62 and then 2.65. Beyond 2.65 only little more bullishness is seen. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom trying to look upwards. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to reverse. This candle will decide which direction it takes. Possibly if it breaks past on the upside, 2.6, 2.62 can be seen, and then 2.65. Now remember, see the steps there, drop, step, drop. Now 2.7 is something I will be watchful of only and only if it stays above 2.47 levels. You can see it for a reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation there, trying to reverse. Let's watch out only about 2.7. Remember, only about 2.7 you can expect that there is a little reversal. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, and RSI is also trying to trade at bottom, trying to look upwards though. Now look at the daily charts. In yesterday's analysis, we had seen that till the time it stays below this, we can expect a bearish move, and see this time it is breached on the downside. However, if you connect the dots here, lower highs, lower lows, is still trying to trade in this channel. It has to break below 2.5 in order to confirm for a little bearishness, then 2.45 and 2.4. You can see this 2.4 levels, and now again 2.4 levels will come into picture because below that certainly more bearishness is seen. Stochastic is trading at bottom and trading near to oversold levels. MACD has traded in green so far, trying to converge here, and this time a crossover may bring more bearishness. RSI trying to look downwards here. Considering this for the day, I will not recommend you to buy till the time it stays below 2.6 levels. Only buy entry is, rather I will say 2.58 you can buy, but then expect 2.6, 2.62 very nearby resistances. Beyond 2.62 only little more bullishness is seen for 2.65, 2.7, and if it breaks 2.7 you can expect a little reversal there. On the downside, below 2.5 you can sell, 2.45, 2.4, and if it breaks 2.4, more bearishness will prevail there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. We have a big day ahead. You can see a good swing. Take your trades accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.